Yeah. I just want to say thank you to the mothers. I know it's not Mother's Day because it's Mother's Day every day. After all, who creates war? Yep. Anyways, these men wouldn't even be in the world if it weren't for us. I hope one day we can all just live up to our parts, you know? Sorry, y'all, I can't help but laugh, because isn't that why they affect my body parts? Literally pulling on me, trying to drain me every which way they can. After all, it's called America. American. Yeah. Anyways. I was born and raised here. And I'm not gonna run away in fear because of other so-called Americans. Especially when all I do is love each and one of you. The problem is, someone had a falling out with me and then they got mad, so they told you some lies about me. And that's okay. It is what it is. After all, that's what most of you would say. I'm gonna be quiet right now because that bird's telling me to do so. I hope you all have a very blessed day.